Imagine a life-saving drink, used in the heat of battle, healing the wounded, quenching thirst, and boosting energy. This is no myth, it's the story of coconut water. Picture the tumultuous times of World War II, when medical resources were scarce and survival was the name of the game. In this dire setting, coconut water emerged as a miraculous solution. Its high electrolyte content made it an excellent makeshift saline drip, saving countless lives on the battlefield. But the tale of this ancient elixir goes even further back. In tropical countries where coconuts are abundant, locals have long relied on coconut water for its healing properties. It was a trusted remedy for dehydration and stomach ailments, a natural resource that could be tapped straight from the tree. So, coconut water was not just a refreshing drink, but a survival tool in times of need. From the battlefields of the past to the gyms of today, coconut water has proven its worth time and again. Let's take a trip down memory lane and explore the myriad health benefits of this ancient elixir. In the hot, humid climates where coconut palms thrive, hydration has always been a challenge. Ancient civilizations discovered that the water inside a young coconut was not only refreshing but also a life-saving source of hydration. These early societies soon recognized the advantage of coconut water over ordinary water as it contains electrolytes like potassium and sodium, essential for maintaining body functions. Fast forward to the 20th century. Coconut water started to gain popularity as a natural sports drink. Why? Well, it's all about the electrolytes. These minerals are critical for your body's nerve and muscle function, and they're lost through sweat during a workout. Coconut water's naturally high potassium and sodium content makes it a perfect all-natural replenishment. But the benefits of coconut water extend far beyond hydration and post-workout recovery. It's also packed with antioxidants, substances known to protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. And if that wasn't enough, recent studies suggest that coconut water could have potential benefits for diabetes and heart health thanks to its magnesium content and heart-friendly properties. Let's not forget about one of the most common health issues worldwide, kidney stones. Coconut water could potentially help here too. Some research suggests that it might prevent the formation of kidney stones thanks to its high potassium content, which helps to counteract the effects of high sodium diets. The beauty of coconut water is that it's not just a single benefit wonder. It's a multi-purpose health elixir backed by centuries of use and increasingly supported by modern-day research. As science catches up with tradition, it's clear that coconut water is more than just a tropical treat. Are you finding this information valuable? If so, show some love by hitting the like button. Alright, so we've been on quite a journey, haven't we? Unearthing the history of coconut water and its amazing health benefits. It's fascinating stuff, and there's plenty more to come. But let's take a quick breather, shall we? It's important to remember that health isn't just about what we consume, but also about how we engage with the world around us. And right now, that world is right here, on this video. Your interactions, your likes, they all help in spreading this message of health and wellness. So, if you're feeling enlightened, or simply enjoying the ride so far, don't forget to hit that like button. It's a small action, but it's one that can ripple outwards, helping others discover the healing wonders of coconut water. Now let's get back to our coconut water tale. So, we've journeyed through history and science, discovering the healing wonders of coconut water. We've sipped from the fountain of knowledge, learning how this tropical elixir has been used for centuries to hydrate, heal, and nourish. We've seen how its rich array of nutrients, including potassium, magnesium, and vitamin C, have been shown to support heart health, aid digestion, and boost the immune system. In our modern world, we can still tap into this ancient wisdom. Whether you're powering through a workout, nursing a hangover, or simply looking for a refreshing pick-me-up, coconut water is a natural, healthy choice. But don't just take our word for it, try it for yourself. Experience the hydrating, healing power of coconut water in your own life. If you want more health tips like these, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Stay tuned for our next video, The Healing Wonders of Lemons. Until then, keep hydrating and stay healthy.